Good morning, YouTubers. New Time Travel Jaime 88 here. I'm back with a brand new video. And today, I am going to do All Dogs Go to Heaven double feature set on VHS. Ah, yes, one of my favorite family films, and I haven't seen much of these All Dogs Go to Heaven films, but the reason why I brought it, because I only saw bits and pieces on television. Featuring two films, All Dogs Go to Heaven and All Dogs Go to Heaven 2. And this is a very nice set. Alright, both films. This film is directed by Don Bluth. I don't know who directed the second film, so I'm going to take this to the side. Let me show you guys All Dogs Go to Heaven. This movie released in 1989, and I love this cover too. You have, here's, for the director of American Tale, The Land Before Time, and The Secrets of NIMH. Here's Charlie. And there's the other Charlie's best friend. Here's the front, the spine, other spine, the top, and the back. An enchanting and delightful film. Highly recommend for the whole family, says Colleen Harris from Syndicated Parent Film Reviews. Let me focus here. There we go. Charlie. And what is, and finds, oh, this is a very good film. I've got, and this little girl Anne Marie, and this car-faced. It's a very sad movie, but anyway, it's rated G, and it's 1 hour 25 minutes. Here's the sticker label, and the print date is August 19th, 1990. Alright, here's All Dogs Go to Heaven 2. This is, I think, is a direct-to-video series. Yes, it is. Taking off where All Dogs Go to Heaven left off. Here's the front, the spine, and the back. Plenty of adventure and emotion, says Philadelphia. I forgot who the dogs are there. But here's the sticker label. The print date is June 21st, 1996. And that's the, let me put down to the side here. It's a rebate. This is a very nice set. And I really love this. All Dogs Go to Heaven. This is the movie I saw at my high school. And I think my buddy Wayne Reed has this movie. And I gave this 10 out of 10. And All Dogs Go to Heaven 2, well, I haven't seen it, but I'm going to have to check it out to see how much I love it, and I'm going to rate this film. Well, anyway, that's all we have here. Make sure you guys to rate, comment, subscribe, and thanks for watching.